Hi, welcome to JWR Academy. Today we are discussing finding the radical 10 over 100 without calculator. So first of all we use the prime factorization method by applying on radical 10 and after radical 100. When we apply the prime factorization method on radical 10, so we cannot solve it because we get a 2 factor, but 2 factor are not make the pair, so we write as it is radical 10. Okay, as it is radical 10. After we solve the radical 100, so radical 100 we can solve it by prime factorization method and write the factor, and after we write the same radical 10 or radical 2 multiply 5 and make the radical 100 pair, and after this radical next step radical 10 also same and make the pair by radical 100, and after we rate radical 10 is same and radical 100 answer is 10, so we write this answer radical 10 by 10. So this answer is given by radical 10 divided by radical 100. So radical 10 is same and radical 100 answer is 10. We solve it and get the answer in decimal. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next video. Thanks.